Yeah, so we're gonna be using some crowns, but I want to show you what I got. So I'm gonna see if I don't want to knock these over. Oh, can you guys see? This is the paper I want to put on the candles. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna put the pale pink on first, just to see what it looks like. See this pink? It's called Pleasant Pink from Folk Art. Pink. Oh, see, this is going on pretty pink. I know, but it's such a pretty pink. So I think what I'm going to do, so this is the pink candle. So what I'm going to do, I guess we'll work on the candle right now just to see how it's going. And I think I'm going to use this heart down here for this one. Maybe I'll put the blue on that one. Actually, I'm going to use, I lied, I'm going to put this one on here. So all I'm going to do is, I'm going to watercut it. Okay. So see how I just kind of tore around that? It's going to blend out really, it's going to blend out better. So I'm going to put it right there in the center. And I guess I'm just going to do a little bit of, that's triple dip dark there, and my infuser. And I'm just going to lay this down like this, and then I'm just gonna go over it. And I think we probably will up diamond dusting this. I think that would be kind of pretty. And then we'll just let that dry, but look at how pretty. Okay, so next step, guys, I am going to dark wax these with my Bare Wax. So now I'm going to go in, I take a little bit of dark and a little bit of light. So this brush was like super like hard and crusty, and then when you just start dipping it in your wax again, it softens right up. So I am just going to spread this. I'm just going to work in kind of sections. And then watch this little towel. Okay, and then you just wipe off that excess wax. So it's gonna kind of like stick in all the cracks. So see, if I was doing this with a paper towel, I would be shredding my paper towel. Okay. So now that we got the waxing done, do you see how kind of gritty and dirty? I love that. So I'm going to use the Patriotic pigments. This is in this is the Byzantine gold. I just do a little bit of this. All right, so this is pale gold. All right, then you're going to take your infuser and you just mix it, y'all. Super easy. So see, pale gold is a little pale. This is actually really a nice color gold. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of dry brush them on the wings. I don't want to... Oh yeah, see, this shows up so much better than... This shows up way better than liquid Rub and Buff would have. See how pretty, and it almost looks like gold leaf. See that shine? So we're just adding a little bit of shimmer. I'm gonna do the front side. I don't want to like paint them totally. I could if I wanted to, but I don't. I'm just kind of giving them a dry brush look. So it's just a little touch. I think I'm going to throw a little bit more on his robe too. So I didn't do too much. See, just a little bit down there. So I picked out 3. I wanted to use the oil rubbed bronze, or not oil rubbed bronze, I'm sorry. Thank you. Antique bronze. Oh my gosh. antique bronze. So the one with the tallest candle is going to get this one because he's the boss. This is the medium-sized candles going on here, so we're going to give him this one. See, I kind of coordinate like that. And I'm just going to prop this up on his head, like so. And I'm just going to add, watch the glue. It's so amazing. A dab of glue. It's dry. Yay! That is the new like industrial strength. All right, this is what you get Totally Dazzled. You get anywhere from 6SS all the way up to 20. 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 20. And these are all the different kind of stones. I'm just going to use clear. So like here in each one of these little, whatever you call this little divot, that's going to get a rhinestone. These little points are going to get a rhinestone. These little loops right here are going to get rhinestones. And then with your Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit, you do get glue. And then, see, I just kind of take it and drop. It's almost like you're decorating a cake. And then you get your little picker pen. And I'm using clear on, I think I'm going to use clear on all of these. I don't know. These are clear. Look at this. Look how pretty. So see, it's going to get lots of sparkles, so all that, and then I'm going to do all of, you guys know me. Oh, we have to do, we have to finish the candle, y'all. Let me try this a little bit. It's hard to get anything to stick to candle wax. I'll try it though. That's what we got. Isn't that pretty? I can't wait to do the other ones. But this is already sealed and that looks so pretty. Okay. And all this is going to get sparkles, and I love the crown. So we use the crown and the heart. That's probably what I'm going to use on the other two. Definitely the crown and a heart on the candles. So I think this is so adorable. So I hope you guys enjoyed.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.